Good morning, garden friends. We are heading to Jeff and Emily's house today to work on their second project, which is laying the flagstone around their swing that Kevin had built for them. So come along with us as we go ahead and tackle this next project. All right, so we are at Emily's and Jeff, and it's already hot. It's supposed to be 95 degrees, and with the humidity, possibly 100. But this is the area we're gonna go ahead and get the flagstone laid out in the design that we want to have it set up, and then get in here, get the grass lifted out, till the ground, move that dirt out, so then Kevin can start laying the packing gravel or sand down. So we're gonna go ahead and get this going.
All right, but don't you want me to get the knife first?
No, we're not gonna, we just want to get them placed, just to have an idea.
You don't have to put them in half to place them?
No.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, so.
Oh God, we're gonna be in his way though.
Yeah, so Kevin, you can just go ahead. We are in the process of getting the flagstone put down, but a couple things that Emily is entertaining are, what Emily is entertaining is adding the Helen Von Steen lamb's ear between her azaleas. We're gonna go ahead and split them to make sure that we have the symmetry that she wants behind her swing.
Yay.
All right, so what Kevin's doing now is he's starting to get the flagstone edges shaped so that it can fit nicely on up against the patio, and then any trimming that has to be done to give that curvature to the Flagstone patio.
I'm Fred Flintstone, y'all.
Okay, we're making some headway here. This is the most tedious part of getting the area prepared for the flagstone, is getting the grass up. But we got a tiller that's gonna make this a whole lot easier for Kevin to do once the sod is up. All right, so we got the area all dug out with the sod, and Kevin has the patio paver base laid out, but we're gonna go ahead and get the tiller, get all of this area tilled up to where he has 3 inches to be able to work with to put the compact down the paver base before we set the flagstones. And then Emily and I are gonna mix up some of this clay with some compost and manure. And once he gets the paver set, we will go ahead and plant in the ground cover. Good morning, garden friends. We are back at Emily and Jeff's. It's 8:30 in the morning because we're trying to beat the sun, because it's supposed to be 95 degrees, but with the humidity almost 100. Right now what we're doing is, Kevin had tilled to loosen up the soil yesterday, but there are a lot of rocks in here. So we're straining the rocks out of the soil so that we will be able to reuse the soil and mix in some compost and soil conditioner to put down, so that when we go to plant the plants, it's not having a bunch of rocks in it, and then it'll allow the ground cover to cover nicely. fill this all in with good soil. I don't care if that water sprays on me today. Now this, like I said, is the tedious part, but if you want to make sure you have a good foundation and everything is leveled, you know, when you got these types of situations, this is the extra steps that you got to take. Now, had I not wanted to use some of the soil in here, we'd have just loaded up the wheelbarrow, dumped it behind their fence, the other part of their property. But because of the ground cover that she is putting in here, you know, having some of the clay in the soil, it'll be beneficial. We need to wrap something around that. That's dangerous. All right, so what we're doing is just laying out the pieces to get a sense of how we're going to lay it out, and then, you know, make the adjustments to where, you know, smaller pieces are added into here. And then we just keep working through it, but just making sure we have enough space in between for the ground cover.
Will make the grass not work.
Oh, in a week?
Yeah. I can put it in my pot. It's fine.
Oh, you got Jeff's shoes on. That's funny. Okay, look at this, guys. It looks really, really good. Really happy with how it turned out. We're gonna let the rock settle for about a week. Okay.
This makes me very happy.
Yeah,
to
so
get on it and swing
yeah,
for
get
you.
on and swing. Luna, get on there with you.
She will. See, this is what I like.
See, I told you
I
your
like my
feet should have been
doing
on the
this is
ground.
what I like. Just like this.
Oh yeah, yeah, and then we'll
Very
just
happy.
plop the ground cover in there, and then your two pots on the side. That's gonna look nice.
And the thing over here, and it'll be shaded.
Yeah.
But in this night, look at this. See, this is what I like. Putting my feet down and just sitting like this. I don't need to swing like, you know, swing. If I want to swing, I'll go to the park. But this is what I love. Putting my feet and just swinging away.
All right, guys, it was way too hot, and Emily and Jeff invited us into the pool. Having fun. Thank you again for visiting Inspiring Garden Corner, and I look forward to you checking out my next video.